Hi everyone, today's delivery has arrived and I'm so excited to show you what I've got. I actually can't remember what I've ordered, but if you want to see an unboxing, then I'm Nicola from Creative West Aussies, so let's give it a go. Got my trusty blade, trying to figure out how to open it. So this is from Uniquely Creative. They're based in South Australia. I'm in Western Australia, so it took about a week to get here. I can open it off this bit here. So what does this note say? Thank you so much for your lovely order and for supporting our small business, Tracy and the team. Oh, that looks like that might be a gift. So that's the sequins. This looks like some twine that I ordered. They are 30 meters long. I thought that was white, but that to me looks more natural and black, and this one here is the craft. Well, I'll use those a lot. So let me see what I got. So I was after some basics and I was after some Australiana products. They do the dies, or they call those ones fussy dies, and there is the stamp to match, which I like to do. So that one there was called, let's have a look. Oh, so it's written on this bit here, best wishes. So I like the water. That looks like, I'm not kind of sure what kind of fish that is, but that's really nice. I'm trying to get the pairs here. So this one here is the Aussie Christmas die, and that will be the Aussie Christmas set. I like this one because I can add, well, I can use it as normal, not just for Christmas. Emu, how cute is that? This must be the set of Aussie Hero dies. This is one of their newest products. So these are all little koalas, but you've got a nurse, fireman. Is that a fireman as well? Oh, just different hands for using, holding. What's this one? Oh, these are just little mini acrylic stamps. So this one's just called the grid, which is self-explanatory. I thought that'd be good for multimedia and backgrounds. And the same with this one. This one is called In My Mind's Eye. So good for tags. What else before I show you all the dies? Oh, I bought 2 of the stencils. So this is one of their newest ones as well. This is I think it's called City Scene. I was going to say Skyline, but it's City Scene. I've seen that sort of theme everywhere. This is just a staple, so for grass and clouds. I've been doing them manually, so this will be awesome. It's called Scene Builder, Clouds and Grass, as I said. Ooh. I wanted to get some of the embellishments. So these ones are called, these are the 8mm glass stones. I thought they would be nice for ocean themes. This set is also the new one that works very well with the Aussie Heroes. This one is called Hero Mobiles. So there is the die and there is the stamps. Can't wait to get using that one. Uniquely Creative do sell sets, and I think it works out a bit cheaper if you buy the fussy dies with the stamps. But in some instances, make sure you keep your eye out, because if they've sold the sets, you can still buy them separately. So to me, the sets look like they have elastic bands around them. Now this one's called Under the Sea, and there is the die and the stamps. Again, for me, I do a lot of beach holidays, so I was just looking for more of that. Love it. Look at these little jellyfish, turtles. Can't wait to use those. So that's that one. So this is a fussy cut just on its own. Oh, by the way, these prices are Australian prices. Aussie Road sign dies. happy birthday. So they're standard, but really it's just the little kangaroo. And that is what all our signs on the road have when we have kangaroos. Possibly in the vicinity, they have tracks that they follow regularly. So they can jump out in front of you, but they don't always jump straight out. Sometimes they sort of jump along with you. And then also after a while, if we've built up that area, they stop coming because they've obviously, I don't think they divert. I think they just get hit, unfortunately. Now these ones here, you buy these ones separately and then you buy these kits to go with them. These dies, I should say. So the idea for this die for me, and why I decided to get it, was that I like doing journaling on strips for my scrapbooking. I thought that I could use this one for that, as well as these, what are they called? So this one, thank you for your kindness, appreciate everything you do, happy belated birthday. Now this one was called Essentials 2, and then for that one you need to buy Cut Apart Essentials 5 die. I should have done it in the other order. So this is Essentials 1. So this must have been the first one they brought out, and this is the second one, the die that is Essentials 4. So I suppose it went 1, 2, and then I'm not sure what 3 is, but then they've done 4 and then 5. So I thought they were great to have in my stash. This looks like another set. So this one is the kookaburra. We have a lot of kookaburras where I live, so they're kind of just all over the country, whereas koalas tend to be more over east. Oh, another staple, tags and tails. So I do already have some stamps, but I thought this would come in handy to change the shape of that hole, and could use these for lots of things. And they're bigger. Actually, they're bigger than I expected, so they're bigger than the ones I've already got in my range, which is great. So this is called Tags, Tops and Tails die. So this one again is the set. I think I bought this one separate. This one is called Sea Treasures. I get lots of pelicans here, so I thought that would be lovely. I like the little fence, and the octopus. Haven't got one of those at the moment. That's that one. And then my last two, this one I really liked. Again, I think I had to buy them separately, but I did manage to catch the Mother's Day 20% sale, so I think that's already finished. So Aussie Geo dies. Right, at the bottom, it looks like the bottom of the pack, but it's actually not. This is some cardstock that I purchased, and I don't know if you can tell in this picture, but it's textured. I'll try and pop it on the side for you. Now these were just $1, Australian dollars per sheet. So I only got a couple because I wanted to see what they're like, but oh my gosh, they look like they're in craft card, and they'll be great for masculine pages. Oh, and the Hessian is actually Hessian. I thought it was going to be paper. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, that is cool. See, there's like whatever is holding it together on the back. I think they were $1.50 a piece. And then this one is Aussie Christmas die number 2. So again, some of these I could use for birthdays. That's a quokka. They're only in Rottnest Island in WA. Rottnest is a very sought after holiday destination for us people who live in Perth, because it's only half an hour's ferry from the city, and then there's no cars on the island, so it's just such a beautiful destination. These are galahs, so we wouldn't have to use those just for Christmas. And I was thinking with this one, let's have a look at the other Christmas one that I got. I could pop the Christmas hat. Was there a hat on that one? Oh, there's a hat on this one, so I thought I could pop that on this little emu here. So yeah, that's what I got this time. So I'm really pleased with those, and hopefully you'll see me using them shortly. Hope you enjoyed watching my first ever delivery unboxed, and I hope it shows you what Uniquely Creative has to offer. Thanks for spending time with me today. Look forward to seeing you next time. As usual, if you like what you're seeing, please leave some comments, do the thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Bye for now.